box, man. Grab the hottest toys. Sparkle Pops. Man!
Hey guys, what's up? Thanks for watching Joe and Jake Collectibles. Today we're going to do a quick little unboxing of these extra mystery minis that we were able to pick up. Also, Jake's going to do an unboxing on this Ghostbusters mystery minis that he was wanting for quite some time. So we decided to go ahead and pick it up and see which one we get. But first, I say we start with, let's start with one of them. And then, okay, so I'm going to help you, right? And get you started right here. Here it is, the Ad Icons Mystery Minis.
And I still have some in there.
Yeah, he still has some in there. So let's go ahead and get this one open. You want to do this one or me?
This one.
Okay, so he says he's going to do
I'll
it.
destroy this one too.
Okay, go ahead. Let's see what he gets. Okay. Here, I'll help you. I'll give you a little help. Let's see who it could be. Go ahead. The hole's already in there, buddy. I already made one. Look, it's already here. You got Count Chocula. Oh, he already has Count Chocula. That's a bummer, but hey, it's fine. It's an extra one.
This one.
Okay, let's go with this one. Okay, we're gonna get this open. See what we got. Here, I'm gonna let you do it. Okay.
Okay.
Here. And I think this is what he wants, ladies and gentlemen. Based on what it feels, I think this is the jackpot for Jake. Go ahead. Pull it out.
Ding ding dong.
Ding ding dong. This is the one that he has been wanting. This is the first mystery mini that caught his attention right away. This is the one. I knew it was this one when I could feel, because you know he's like a real round circular shape.
And I find him
so I
in
knew
Mario.
it was him. So here he is. He finally got King Ding Dong. Awesome. That was good. That was cool. I still have hopes in getting the Blueberry. Hopefully that, I mean, that's all I need right there. I'm not interested in the others, the Owl or Fruit Brood and whoever else there is, but I just want the Blueberry. Let's see what we got here.
I can open it.
I know, but I'm just going to help you here. Okay, so let's go ahead and stand these up right here. Alright. I'm going to give you a little help. Hold on, this bag's a little... This one's a little tricky. Oh, sorry about that. You got Egon, the Ghostbuster. He got Ghostbuster Egon. So that's pretty cool. He's got his proton pack. Really cool. Nice. Like the detail on these. Really cool. So this is what he got right here. Let's get a close-up look. These are the ones he got. So there you go, guys. That's what Jake got today. Thank you for watching today's video. Also, don't forget to check out our other videos, and the first mystery mini unboxing that we did is down below. You can go and check that one out. It was pretty cool. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you very much, guys.
Thanks, bye.
Bye.